Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to create two columns in Google Docs. First of all, open your Google Docs. After that, select the text that you want to format into two columns. Menu at the top of the page, click on Format. In the drop-down menu that appears when you click Format, select Columns. A sub-menu will appear with the option for the number of columns you want. Select second one for two columns. After selecting two columns, you might want to adjust the space between them. You can do this by clicking on More options at the bottom of the submenu and adjusting the column width and spacing to your preferences. After that, tap on Apply. That's it, your selected text will now be formatted into two columns. If you want to remove the columns, follow the same steps but select one column instead. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.